Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Disney's Art of Animation Resort for another new release Penny video. So today I was just over here checking on a machine that had recently been taken off stage. It was the one that had the 2021 design in it. And when I was here about a week or so ago, it was gone, and I assumed it was to be upgraded to the new payment system, you know, $1, and the machine would supply the pennies. So when I came over here just to kind of get an update and see if it had come back, I noticed that it had not come back, but it had been replaced by something completely different. So as soon as I saw it, I raced out here so that I could talk to you guys first. We're gonna head right back inside. Now I'm gonna show you what I found. We'll take a deeper look at it, and then we'll see what designs they've released for us. So why don't you come along with me, we'll go back inside. All right, everyone, you're gonna just kind of have to bear with me here because this machine took me completely by surprise. I don't even have my tripod, so I'm gonna do this all kind of handheld. So let's take a little bit of a closer look here at the designs. So this first one we've got looks like it's Pumbaa and Simba. And we've got kind of grown-up Simba. Younger Simba. This is a nice one, similar to another design that's already here. It's Ariel. Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow, ka-chow. Nemo. This is a new one. This is really cool. I like this one. Sebastian from Little Mermaid. And last but not least, we've got Tow Mater. And these are nice too because they all have the Art of Animation Resort logo right at the bottom, so you'll never forget where you press them. Well, that was certainly a surprise. I hope you guys enjoyed those designs as much as I did. Let me know down in the comments below what you think of them. Are you coming out to get a set for yourself? Be sure to let me know. It's about time I head off on the rest of my journey that I actually came here for, so I'm gonna jump on the Skyliner. Take care, enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, be sure to keep on pressing.